Welcome back. In this lecture, we will be covering the inserting of the data in the database. If this passes, means if the connection is establishing here with its database, then it will be inserting values here. So for inserting, go to this localhost /phpMyAdmin/ go to this SQL. So these are the queries here we will be using during this inserting, deleting and retrieving operation. So for inserting, if I'm clicking on this, so you can see here insert into customer details, means this is the table name and the column values are here also, you can see. So I am simply copying this. So it's a good practice to do this. Go to localhost phpMyAdmin and copy the related query. For example, if I'm inserting, so I will be using inserting query here and I will be pasting it here. Dollar SQL is equal to this one. So it must be inside this double quotation, insert into customer details. So IDs are too incremented, so I am not adding it here. And name value is like this dollar name. They must be inside this commas, and then the address is this one, dollar address. And then the price. So for price we have to add another input here, so we don't have to need to add this. So I'm just adding price here. I'm adding a fixed price here, so I'm making this what about $99. So there is some need of work here to add, so I'm not adding here the price tag here. I'm giving them a fixed price here, and inside this I will be adding remove here. So this is the fix. Whenever they are clicking on this, they will be like an operation for the removing of the whole row. I'm saving it, and one thing more, I'm copying this one if condition here and pasting it here. If this one is query, so if query equals to true, which query this $SQL is equal to true, then it will show us echo new record created successfully, else echo error : dot dollar SQL dot this one BR tag, and then dot dollar com, and then error. I'm saving it, and let's see the changes here. Hope this will work here. So if we will be adding something here, it will be shown here in this database. I'm refreshing this and adding name as Ashir, and address is 129 Street 2 KHI log, and etc. If I'm clicking on this Y button, so you see here warning MySQL constructor unknown database customer details. So let's see here. So you can see this is showing me an error that there isn't any customer details database. I'm going here and let's see. So this customer details is a table name. We can insert data into a table, but this is the database name here. I'm copying this and pasting inside this the database name, and let's see the changes here. So you see here new record created successfully. I'm going to this database and refreshing it here. And go to browser. So you see here there are two records with Ashir 192 Street 2 KH block, and the price is 0. Why this is 0? Because we have set it $99 and the price is in number. So this time you will see the changes here. You can see the price here, it's 99. So you can see now 99 is in price. In first two there is 0 because I was adding $sign here and the type of price was integer. You can see here this price is integer. You can see here this is integer, and we are not seeing the remove value because I have set it integer. So I will be changing this remove type it must be a text. So this time whenever we are adding, you can see a new record created successfully. Now if you will be refreshing this, you can see here this is remove here because I have changed its type from integer to text. So we have covered the insert operation in the database. In the upcoming lecture we will be covering the show operation or the retrieving of the data from the database.